Understanding in the same ballpark. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an interesting phrase you might have heard, in the same ballpark. This expression is widely used in both formal and informal settings, and understanding it can add a unique flavor to your English conversations. So, let's get started. In the same ballpark is an idiomatic expression that originates from sports, particularly baseball, where it refers to being within the physical confines of a ballpark. However, when used metaphorically in everyday language, it means being in the same general area or range, whether you're talking about numbers, ideas, or qualities. This phrase suggests that two or more things are comparably similar, though not necessarily identical. Using "in the same ballpark" can make your English sound more natural and nuanced. Here are a few examples to illustrate its usage. Estimating figures or amounts. We need to figure out the budget for our trip. I'm not sure about the exact cost, but I think it's in the same ballpark as last time, around $1,000. Comparing ideas or proposals. Your proposal is in the same ballpark as what we've been discussing. It aligns well with our objectives. Assessing qualities. The quality of these two smartphones is in the same ballpark. Both offer great features for their price. Understanding variations can help you better grasp the essence of "in the same ballpark." Here are a few similar expressions that convey the idea of being close in comparison. In the same vein, this suggests that something is similar in type or manner. On the same page, used to indicate agreement or shared understanding between people. In the ballpark, a slight variation, meaning to be within an approximate range. Each of these expressions has its unique context, but they all revolve around the concept of similarity or closeness. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of "in the same ballpark." It's a versatile phrase that can enrich your English conversations, making them more expressive and precise. Remember, practicing these idiomatic expressions can help you sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning tips.